Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. As you can see, we're doing a clean with me today. This was about a week before my baby was due and the house had just gotten into a little bit of a tip, so I just wanted to give it a good spruce up before she arrived. The first thing that I'm doing is clearing out the bottom drawer of my wardrobe, which is something that I've been putting off for a long time. So I thought whilst I had the chance, whilst I was on maternity and the baby hadn't arrived, I thought I'd do it. So I split the clothes into several piles, what I was keeping, what I was donating, other bits and bobs, and yeah, there was some stuff that, to be honest, didn't even fit me properly before I had children, so those were definitely being donated. And then I just did the fold and roll method to put them back in the wardrobe. That is just the way that works best for me. It's the way that I keep it most tidy. I just moved into my daughter's room and just made her bed. To be honest, I'm not too precious about how this looks. I just like it to be roughly made, as she tends to come up here and climb on her bed whenever she comes upstairs, and she also has a nap in the middle of the day. So I just roughly like to make that, and then I just tidied up her room and gave it a dust. moving on to downstairs. To be honest, I didn't realise how messy that this room got. It often does though, just with toys and things. So I just gave it a quick tidy up and a quick clean.
Keep on smiling in my tiny bubble, like a movie without ending. Spending time like it was going backwards. Bruises covering our walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind. Breathing in and breathing out to get smarter. Not working out for me, yeah. Got no money on my mind. Tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, needing tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind. Repeating patterns like the actors. Meditation through the yoga lessons. Going greener by the minute. Soon I can't wear any other colors. Bruises covering our walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind. Breathing in and breathing out to get smarter. Not working out for me, yeah. Got no money on my mind. Tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, needing tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind. Don't you worry about me. If I keep feeling like I'm missing something, don't you worry about me, yeah. Don't you worry about. Got no money on my mind. Tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, needing tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind.
And then after hoovering up, I did just give the downstairs a quick steam mop just to kind of get rid of any bacteria. I do also use the steam mop on the rug as well. Just with having children and with dogs, it's like a good way to kind of, like I say, get rid of all the bacteria without using any chemicals. That was it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to do that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.